Here I have DOOGEE N30, and today I'm going to show you how to activate Hey Google on this device. So firstly you have to open the Google application, then tap More, then go to the settings, go to the Google Assistant settings, and then tap Voice Match. Then you have to turn on these. Firstly you have to turn on the Assistant, then to enable Hey Google, then tap Next. Then you have to agree with Google's voice match, tap Continue, then to retain voice model. Then you have to say OK Google, and then one more time you have to say OK Google, and then say Hey Google, and then do it one more time, say Hey Google. And that's how it's done. And now you have this Hey Google feature activated. And I will show you how it works. Hey Google. Wow, unbelievable, yeah? And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.